Hello. If you have a collection of DVD movies or audio CDs and you want to play them, the best way is to find a nearly 20-year-old Denon DVD-1940 player and enjoy your collection in great quality, because equipment used to be built better back in the day. But enough memories, let's do a teardown and look inside this Denon player with 24-bit 192 kHz Burr Brown audio, DAC.